I gotta wait till he's dead. Hang on. Oh, gotta get the 10 eye. Okay.
Okay, wait.
Is it still moving?
Let me get a good shot. Mom
Okay,
eating.
there's a bug.
Mom eating this beetle.
Is it a beetle or is it a cockroach?
Cockroach, bud.
It's not a cockroach.
No,
It's not a roach.
it's a cricket.
No, crickets have the 2 hind legs that stand up that they rub together.
Crickets are black. And very crunchy.
Done.
So crunchy. Where's my beer?
Down the hatch. Good times.
I gotta wait till he's dead. Hang on. Okay. Hey, wait. Just a minute. Get a good shot. Mommy, there's a bug. Is it a beetle or is it a cockroach? Cockroach, brother. No, it's a cricket. No, crickets have the 2 hind legs that stand up that they rub together. So crunchy, where's my beer?